Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DCCD in your Subaru STI. The driver's Control Centered Differential is a powerful system that allows you to manually or automatically adjust the torque split between the front and rear wheels. This gives you incredible control over your vehicle's handling and traction, whether you're on a track or navigating challenging road conditions. Understanding its functions will significantly improve your driving experience. Let's start with the automatic mode, which is perfect for everyday driving. In this setting, the DCCD system intelligently monitors various factors like wheel speed, steering angle, and throttle input. It then automatically adjusts the torque split, typically from 41% front and 59% rear, to optimize traction and stability. This hands-off approach ensures a smooth and secure ride without constant adjustments. Now, for those who want more direct control, the manual mode is your friend. You can adjust the center differential's locking percentage using the thumb wheel or rocker switch. Moving the control forward increases the front wheel bias, which can help with stability. Conversely, moving it backward sends more power to the rear, allowing for more aggressive cornering and even controlled oversteer. Experiment to find your preferred setting. Finally, let's talk about full lock and some best practices. Engaging full lock maximizes traction by evenly distributing power, which is excellent for extremely slippery conditions like deep snow or loose gravel. However, it's crucial to avoid using full lock on dry, high-traction surfaces, as this can cause significant drivetrain binding and damage. Always practice using DCCD in a safe, open area to truly understand its capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.